I've been indirectly gifted something by Dua Lipa for this song, actually. Personally. I imagine crystal clear. In my corner, I can visualize you in. Keep me up, set me down. Right from wrong, hold my ground. Said to say so many years, but in its splendor, found a sight to set my fears. I ran out, let you down, held on down and broke my. I need to know if I can feel. Could I ever be a special person? Show you I can give love and devotion. I need to know. Baby.
Break all the glass I know broken. Take back all the notes I know chosen.
This love it goes on. I hear in your tone I might be alone. My dreams are dragged on. Despite of my hopes, I might be alone.
So this song was recommended by one of the supporters over on Patreon. It's a really repetitive turnaround, so it shouldn't be too hard to learn. As always, we're going to look at the chords in the order that they feature. We'll look at the rhythm and the timing. And remember, we have the chord chart available for this one, so just hit the link in the description if you want to grab that. That gives you all the chord diagrams and the timing changes, all the musical information you would need to learn and file away for another day later on when you want to play this song again. So enough talking, let's start breaking it down. We're going to be here for the first chord on the 7th fret, playing F minor 7, and then from there we 8th fret, stay in the 8th fret, but we change our shape. Now we're rooting on the low E string. Okay, could go here. I'd recommend going fingertips for this song. A lot of sliding up and down, so this is a little bit more practical. C minor 7, slide down 2 frets, B flat minor 7, goes back up to the C minor 7, slides down, 3rd fret for our G minor 7, we're going to walk up G, A, back to the B flat minor 7, and then we're going to go middle 4th string, so your index finger just moves down 1 for a, let me check, D flat slash E flat? Yeah, D flat slash E flat, and then up 2 frets for an E flat slash F. So for the first bar, F minor 7, the change onto the C minor 7 happens on the and of the 4, and we get to the B flat on the 1 of the next bar. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Okay, we go back to B flat. Back up to C, and then it goes a bit crazy. You've got 3 chords in that bar and then 3 chords in the next bar. Okay, so you really want to kind of, we can visualize it by looking at the chart, but at the same time, it's just feeling it, listening to the track, playing along would be really good as well. Okay, so let's go back to here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and there you get the going to be a nice slide at the end there. So you know me, I don't like to go too much into the up down down business, but it's just a nice fluid rhythm. Down up down up down up down 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 up down up down. Okay, and that's the whole song, guys. I don't really think there's much more for me to say apart from that last chord. When he plays right at the end, so the very last chord of the, let's say the verse, you got pre-chorus and chorus. Before he goes back into the next verse, instead of going to this was it E flat slash F, he's going to go to an E diminished 7. So we'll go to, so that's going to give it some really nice tension and resolve it there on the F minor 7. We've got the hammer-ons and pull-offs going on. I'm not qualified to teach that, so I've put it in the chart because I can transcribe it. But yeah, I'm going to stay on my lane, just show you the chords and the rhythm. But the hammer-ons are in the chart as well. As always, if you have any questions, leave a comment in the description and I'll get back to you. Have a Merry Christmas, guys, and a Happy New Year. See you on the other side.